Hey, welcome to Moonstone RC Designs. Today we're going to be doing an installation of our 3S bumper supports for the Arrma vehicles. Okay, we're going to be doing an installation on this Arrma Granite. As you can see, this has taken a lot of beatings over the years, and these have definitely helped. These lips here, that'll squeeze down. These lock it once they're in, but there's a slit here just to give it a little bit more room, make it a little bit easier to install, but you don't want it too easy because you don't want these popping out every time you hit something. So what I like to do is start on one side and get it started in. Make sure it's pushed up to the side and squeeze the rest down. Most will go pretty easily in. You may just have a little bit problem at the very end, or you can use a screwdriver just to squeeze the last bit in. This does have a lot of flex to it, very strong, so you don't have to worry. Then just press in and pops right in. There you go. Now that's locked into place, and that will help protect your bumper spring and any component connected to that by absorbing the impacts. If you need to remove it for any reason, just as quick, get a flat screwdriver, put it in a little bit, tip it up, helps release a little bit of those lips on the bottom. Grab a pair of pliers if you want, or you could just keep prying with the screwdriver, pull up, and you're out. Whole installation should take you a few minutes and will save you a lot of grief. Enjoy the product. If you have any questions, concerns, or problems, feel free to let me know. Thanks.